Good morning. I'm waiting for this stock. This is INTZ. Okay. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. I'm waiting for this stock right now. I have an alert for 207, 207, and I'll tell you the reason why. If you look, I have this Fibonacci, and right now it's at 50%, which is a double bottom. If you look, it's a double bottom, and that's really significant. Unfortunately, I can't take that trade here. Uh, I believe it's gonna go down more. Why? Because 61.8% retracement, this green line here, is also at VWAP, so that's confluence. Whether it will go there or not, we'll have to see. Okay, so that's why I'm waiting with an alert down here, and then we'll see if they will buy it. What are you guys trading now? So this stock is already up over 400%, up over 400%. Okay, so it's just below 50% right now. I want it to go all the way to 61.8%. INTZ, INTZ. Okay. 61.8 will be around 207. Yep, yep. Keep coming, baby. Let me see. INTZ. Okay. Okay, they are still selling. So the moment they stop selling, we are in. No, this is not the one I want. This is the one I want. Okay. Okay, 205. 205. They're trying to buy the 215 here. Yeah, they're starting to buy the 215. 214, 215. Okay, they're thinking it. Okay, come on, baby, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay, 205 is the view up. They bought it all the way to 217, Let's see if they're taking it all the way up, and then obviously we will miss it. Okay, yeah, there is some selling now. So this is 1 minute, this is 5 minutes, and this is 15-second chart. Okay, some more selling. So far they haven't come below 2. Okay, below 209, and at the moment the MACD is saying there is more down movement. The MACD for 15 seconds, of course, is saying no, we're going up already. For 1 minute, it's also still going down, but we don't. Therefore, volume has reduced. If you see, it's going down with less volume. Okay, more buying now. Some more buying. Let's see. Okay, 67,000, 3,000, 5,000 sell, 3,000 sell. Okay, maybe it's gonna leave us. Then we'll wait for a double bottom, I guess. 220, that is already 10 cents from the low of 210. The low here is 210. Mark it out here. 210, that was the low. So I normally call it pre-market low. Like putting it in green because it signals buying, and then 2. 10 cents for a $2 stock is a lot. Like if you had 100, you know, that's what, $10. Yeah, spend 200, get $10. Not bad. Okay, so the double bottom formed. They obviously bought it. You know what's significant about the VWAP also is that it's close to the whole number 2. Okay, double bottom. Bought it at double bottom. Okay, now they formed a new high. Are they going to go? That will be minus me. They are running 15 cents since the double bottom. The sell volume is less than the buy volume at the moment. 29, 30 cents. Jesus. You get 30 cents on a $2 stock is huge. Okay, this stock didn't really seem to have any news. I think so. I think last time I checked, it didn't really have any news. Let me see. Okay, 393% still up. Ooh, almost eight, almost 8,000 out of all. The amount of volume is trading today versus the average over the last few days is 8,000. That's a lot. No news. No news. Yeah, the last news associated with this stock was 10th December. That's quite some time. Okay, let's see what else is setting up. INTC is still the leading at almost 450% up. WIMI, I don't know what the float is. I think, oh yeah, I just checked. It's 70 million. So that's not one of the ones I want. SLDPW, it's less than $1. It's not what I want. IDAI less than $1. SES is okay, but the float is almost 200 million. That's not good. SLDP 140 million now. LIDR, yeah, that's a good one. Up 42%. I normally want 50%, but it's got 8 million float. So okay, our stock is still trying to establish a bottom around here. I don't know if I can take it for a triple bottom. No, I'm not. One touch, second touch, okay, but third touch, no, don't touch it. But let's see if it goes finally to the view up at 205. It's dancing above view up. I don't normally like when they are dancing above view up. Let me see. Indicator view up. Okay, we were on to LIDAR. Ah, we had it here. Oh, look at how ugly it looks. Doesn't mean it cannot work. It's just looking ugly at the moment. Remove this. Let's do. Okay, so around 1.68, 1.7 is a possibility. That will also be double bottom. Remember, every time the stock is below VWAP, you have to do double bottom. Yeah, not very exciting to me. The one more exciting is this one. It's a higher. It's gone up way higher than others. It's a leading upper right now. Come down now. 100. Okay, mark this on the 15 seconds, on the 1 minute, on the on the 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 seconds. All of them are pointing to downwards. So the Bollinger Band for the 5 minute is actually exactly at the VWAP. Here it's higher of course. So let's see if they can buy that VWAP. That would be beautiful. Okay, it's coming, it's coming. If they will buy it at the double bottom here, they will miss me. Because I want to buy that VWAP, which is also the 61.8%. They will go without me if they start taking it here. Okay, so far no buying yet. Okay, there they buy it at the double bottom. As I said, they are going without me if they do that. Okay, new high, new high, new high, new 1 minute high. Okay, so they bought it for sure at the triple bottom. And as I said, they are going without me. Maybe I'm being too stubborn. Okay. Well, if it's coming back again for the fourth double, I mean the fourth touch, quadruple touch, that will be a dangerous place to buy it. One touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. Nah, don't buy it there. Well, I'm not saying don't do it. I mean, I'm not gonna do it. That's what I'm saying.
How you doing? Are you on a plane? Yeah. Yeah, let me show you. Wait, how do you even have Wi-Fi? So here's my view. Oh, dude, his phone fell out of the plane. How you doing? Are you? Take your business from long. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard? Oh, alright. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard? Oh, alright. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard? Oh, alright. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard? Oh, alright. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard? Oh, alright. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard?
Okay, it's 8 a.m. now, and normally there is a lot of increased activity at 8 a.m. because some of the brokers like Thinkorswim, they open now. Okay, silly. They are taking it again from here. Looks like this morning we are not going to get in again. It's almost like what, 3 days in a row we haven't been able to do a small cap. I would rather I do that than do something that's outside of my plan. I can. It's better to, well, maybe I'm trying to justify why I'm not in, why I didn't get in here to exit here for what, I don't know, two of 210 and 220. That's 10 cents. And then from here again at 211 to exit at 201 for what? Yeah, no, here for 10 cents, here for 20 cents, and here to exit here for 15, 14 cents or something like that. And now here to hold. Maybe this is the place they will take it up. Anyway, so can I justify? I'll just say, well, I have my rules. If after some time I see the market is not responding to because there is like a few, for the last, I don't know, almost a year, these rules have worked for me. But now it's been about 3 days of no trade on these small caps. Maybe it's about time to adjust the rules. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, but this kind of movement is not the movement you really want. You want movement that is, you see, that is proportional to how the stock moved earlier. If you look, let's see, put 5 minutes. See how the stock moved earlier? Moved all the way from 80 cents up to almost $3. And then now it's just been flattening out here with not much of a move. Yeah, not much of a move. So I think for now, let me see. I don't want a long live video with no trades. I was just hoping we will at least have one trade. Okay, so eight came and the stock isn't moving. So in this case, I think I let's give it 5 more minutes, and if nothing moves, I'm gonna close the stream. And if something else turns up, I probably will do a summary if I trade and before the market opens. When the market opens, I will be trading options only on SPY. So yeah, so let's give it 4 more minutes and then we'll call it quits for now. So as you notice, I actually use free scanners. So this is one scanner. There is another one. I think I just closed it. One is enough. So this scanner is called Zendo. Zendo. It's free on YouTube. So why not? I couldn't subscribe for. Oh, are we moving now? I could subscribe for Benzinga or something like that, but I, at the moment, I don't see any need. I mean, because I can get free. They seem to be decently first enough. So it shows the price here, the percentage gap, the volume it has done this morning, the what's this? The float. Other stuff, I'm not too sure what they are, but the more green it is, the more likely the stock is gonna move. At least that's one thing I know. So a stock like this, MYZ is a stock that moved the last time and it moved huge. It's moving big time right now. But unfortunately, it's, let me see. Okay. MYZ. Okay, our stock seems like it's about to behave. Or is it? And it's almost the end of the 5 minutes. Okay, let's look at MYZ. I have an alert anyway. It's gonna alert me on that other stock. MYZ. Okay, I need to clear drawing set. Oof, this came out of nowhere. Okay, so 6.7 is the 61.8 and it's at 8 EMA. View up is up here. So if I'm ever to trade, I will have to do double bottom. But I have a feeling that this token might just run and run and run. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not going to be with me because I have to wait for my plan to if it works or not. Okay, 212. Okay, it's coming down now. It's 8. It's after the end of the 5 minutes, and it seems like it's probably gonna work right now. Let's see. One, two, three, four. They wanna buy it for the fourth time. 280, 20,000 shares. 21,000. Somebody wants to buy 22,000. Why it's increasing? Okay. Mhm. Okay, it's below view up now.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Okay, we're in, guys. Okay, they're still buying. Okay.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Ah, couldn't hold after waiting for all this long. Okay, well, anyway, we got something, but wouldn't have been sweeter to hold this little damn thing. Got in at 207, sold it for 224. Okay, that's it. That's our trade for the day. I see it reach 230, and there is a very high likelihood this thing is going screaming high. Woo! Look at that. Okay, I think we'll do a review later on to see what the issue was with me not holding. It started, they started like, let me show you this. Okay, so they started like here, as if they were about to sell it off at this higher Bollinger Band, this 15 seconds Bollinger Band. And then here as soon as they moved, and then there was some selling over here, I was like, okay, are they gonna sell it? And so I exited around here, okay? And they took it all the way to 238. 238? Had I even sold it here at 234, and that was something. But you know what? I'm gonna be happy with what I got, because I couldn't have been this person who held it here and then it came down all the way to here. Yeah, but there is some buying now. Hope you did something too. Have a good one. We'll be back here at 9:30 for option trading. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe.